2 games into the Ole Gunnar Solskjaer era and Manchester United have got very little to complain about. Those 2 games have led to 2 wins and 8 goals, with some fine performances and a positive atmosphere that has been sorely lacking from Old Trafford. And so it seems that the gamble of sacking Jose Mourinho and hiring a relatively inexperienced Solskjaer has paid off, although it's still early days. The Norwegian can't possibly have implemented everything he wants to over the next 5 months, while United are still going to be riding that new manager bounce. But Solskjaer has already begun to put his stamp on the club with his style of football, as well as his use of young academy players. And now the new boss has made another move to push United in the direction he wants with the appointment of Mark Dempsey. Dempsey was a long-time assistant for Solskjaer, having previously worked at United from 1999 with their youth teams before following him to Cardiff City and Molde. And according to a former player of Solskjaer's at Molde, Dempsey could be an inspired appointment for United. He was really enthusiastic in his coaching. As a person, he has this fire in him. Everything is done to the full, Tovio told the Manchester Evening News. I think he is great at creating fighting spirit in the team and encouraging players to be the best they can be. He has a lot of knowledge about football and understands the game really well. Solskjaer's backing is important, but it's Tovio's words that could be music to the ears of United fans. Having someone to inspire real fighting spirit in the team is exactly what the fans have been crying out for, and the absolute opposite of how things seemed under Mourinho. It's another example of Solskjaer looking to change a problem and move the club back towards the Sir Alex Ferguson era, and that's another reason for optimism at United.